Hello friends, my name is Tejas Patil and today's date is 5th September 2022 and today's video topic is on difference between strings in Java and strings in C. First we will see introduction. Strings in Java and C++ are a sequence of characters. Java implements string as objects of string class using object oriented programming, and C++ has two ways of representing strings. The first one is using character array and the second one is using object of standard string class. For example, code is string represented as a sequence of characters like C, O, D and E. Now we will see strings in Java. Java implements strings as objects of string class. String objects can be constructed in multiple ways depending on their use. Each quoted string character is an instance of the string class. String in Java is roughly similar to uh, char pointer. It points to the first character in the string and the rest are stored in the sequence of memory block. But one thing we have to remember, Java doesn't support or allow pointers in can be accessed or modified. Then string in Java are immutable. That is, they cannot be changed once initialized. Strings in not primitive data type. It is internally implemented using an array of characters. The size of array is fixed or is to be declared while initialization itself. String in Java are immutable. Now we will see strings in C++ or C language. Strings in C or C++ language is way of representing and working with specs and characters. It has two different ways to represent strings. One of them is derived from the C language, which uses character arrays to represent strings. Another one is using objects of string class, that is standard string class. Now C style character array string. The C style character string is derived from the C programming language to C++. It is can be thought of as a one-dimensional character array that holds a character sequence and is terminated by null character with value 0, which signifies that the string is terminated. So that's all from my side. Thank you.